Ring the rosy, Asha, Asha, we all fall. Ring a rosy, Asha, Asha, we all fall. Hi guys, do you know what time is it? I'll tell you then. The time is gardening time. This is my mother, Soraya. Sorry. This is my mother. Tell them your name.
Hi everyone, my name is Soroya and welcome back to Blessings from the Garden.
And this is me. And this is me. And my name is Joanna Joy Sinclair. Okay, Mommy, what are we going to do today?
Alright, Jojo, we're going to show our viewers how we can get a lot of production from our cucumber plants with 3 simple secrets or 3 simple tips. Right.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, guys, so today we're going to look at how we're able to maximize production on our cucumber plants. And one tip is to get cucumbers that are or that only produce female flowers. And yes, they are available.
Female?
Yes, female
No,
flowers.
the flowers are ladies.
So what do you mean by so what do you mean by female flowers? So alright guys, so as you take a look here, this is a female flower and there's a fruit behind it. And as I said before, you can get your hands on cucumber seeds that will only produce female flowers. So all the flowers on this cucumber plant are female. So take a look at the mass production that's going on here. So we have some cucumbers down here, and also there are some new ones coming along. As you look on the plant, every section we will have cucumbers all over the place. Alright, so that is one major tip. So when you're searching for your seeds, you can look for cucumber plants or cucumber seeds that will produce only female flowers. Alright guys, I'm gonna harvest some of the cucumbers from this one plant, and one of the way to maximize, another tip is to harvest as much as possible. The more you harvest, the more it will bear fruit. Once you stop harvesting or prolong the harvest, it will give the plant signal that no longer needs to produce. So if you harvest your cucumber plant when they need to be harvested, then this also will increase fruit production. So I'm going to take out probably about 10 from this plant. I'm not sure. From this plant only, we have about 10, I think, the last time I checked. And of course, we will have to bag them because of the pest. And while you're seeing the cardboard on the soil, because the cucumbers were resting, so we didn't want the cucumbers to be damaged by the wetness of the soil when we do water. So this acts as a barrier. And guys, if you can take a look, I'm not sure if you're able to see, but as you can see down here, it's still producing at the lower end of the plant. So the more you harvest, this will give the plant more time to put its energy towards younger fruits. So since this one is a little bit small, I'm going to take it because there's one beside it. So I want the energy to go directly to this smaller fruit right here. And as you can see, there are more fruits on the plant and some even younger ones. See? Those are on the plant. So as I harvest, as I said before, as I harvest the cucumbers, then the energy will go to these smaller fruits. All right, guys, I'm gonna reach for this one right here. Not sure what this is, but probably this is where the blossom. Yeah, this is where the blossom was. So I think it actually got stuck to the fruit. We'll just peel that part off, or probably it's called cat facing. Not sure if you have cat facing on cucumber plants. I know they're on tomatoes, but not sure if you have cat facing on a cucumber. I'll have to research that to tell you. All right, guys, I'm not sure what happened to this one, but it's still edible. All right, guys, so this one is a bit deformed, but it is pretty good. So we're going to consume this one as well. All right, growing organically, you have all types of shapes and sizes and the works, all right? But it's still edible. So we're moving on to one other plant now. So this one is growing in this container. So the one that we showed you before, that was in the ground. So this one is growing in either this container or this container. And again, as you can see, we have flowers, female flowers. So these are the fruits. And I'm going to take the mature ones now. Wow, this one is pretty huge. This is just so amazing, guys. Alright guys, this is just amazing. From one small seed to so many fruits. This is just amazing. And this shows the power of God, right? So yes, so from one small seed to many fruits. Grow that garden one container at a time. This is such a good feeling. Alright, we do have one other one here. It's a bit deformed as well. The size is a bit different from this one, and the shape. So they're producing in all types of shapes and sizes. All right, so this is just awesome. I'm gonna have to water. Soil is very dry, as you can see. So we'll have to water after this harvest. All right, so we have one other plant here, and we have some small ones right here. And this is the medium-sized one. Another one right here. And then I'm going to take, oh, here's one more. So there are fruits all over the place. So I'm going to take this one so the others can just grow rapidly. And the other tip, when to get maximum production, is to feed them. So we just harvested the fruits, so we now have to feed the plants. So we're taking from the plant, so we have to give back to the plant. All right, so that's the concept that we're going to work with. Since we harvested the fruits, we're going to put some nutritional value back into the soil so that they can go ahead with their production. All right, guys. All right, guys, so this is our haul for today, our cucumber harvest. And one other tip that we're going to give you, the bonus tip, as you realize, I'm not sure if you did, this plant behind me is in the ground and it was the one who produced the most. So if you can have your cucumber plant in the ground, then it will be a very good thing because you'll get more production from it. So that's the bonus tip for today. All right, so I'm going to leave it right here. Remember to start that garden one container at a time. I think we got about a dozen cucumbers. So there are about a dozen cucumbers in the basket. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to leave it here for now. And oh, there's one other thing. I need to bag the rest because we need to protect our food. All right, bye. Start the garden one container at a time. Bye bye for now.